Hi, I'm Soph.
Hi, I'm Chris.
And today we're making a charred broccoli and adzuki bean herb salad. It's a fave, it's super easy. You can use most things that you already have in your pantry. If you don't have fresh broccoli, it's okay. This is prime time to use frozen. We're gonna use adzuki beans today because those are my particular favorite. In terms of herbs, we're using basil and cilantro because those are our faves.
You can also use parsley, right, if you don't have one of those.
Totally. You can basically whatever kind of herbs you want. We're using some green onions if you want to use onions. Also fire. We're making a really simple dressing to go with the beans. Champagne vinegar, a little bit of coconut aminos, some nutritional yeast, which is one of my favorites, lots of B12, super great. I like a little maple in the dressing, but if you want to use none of that in the recipe, that's totally fine. We're also going to use some raw garlic in the recipe. Garlic is my favorite. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yes.
Okay, same. Okay. I think my favorite thing about cooking with my partner is that it's almost like we're making music together, you know? I'm doing my thing in my corner, he's in his corner, I hand him the onions, he puts them in, and I think especially right now, being able to be in a situation or space where you have a loved one around is already unique and special. Being able to find time and make time to cook together is just, it's so important to me. Favorite thing about cooking is it's just this sort of, this unspoken language. You know, you don't have to, you can speak a completely different language than me. You know, you can be a different person than me in every single way. When I serve you food and you sit down and you enjoy it and you eat it and you clean your plate, you have said so much. I think that, you know, for me, the best thing about cooking is that it's giving someone the ultimate gift. It's this thing that they need to survive. You know, I can't think of anything better than that. Cooking with my partner is just this really beautiful merriment of this thing I love to do. And this thing we all love to do is eat, right? You know, but I also just love to cook so much that it's like, wow, like my partner gets to eat, I get to cook, he gets to cook. It's just this really, really, really beautiful exchange that is just completely invaluable to me. Babe, what are you doing? See, this is why I do most of the cooking. You ready?
I'm ready.
That broccoli is so good. And the great thing about this recipe, doesn't matter what beans you have, it's gonna work. So please make this recipe, it's so good. It's so pantry friendly. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
We love you.